Why choose Optimal Health Network? We've been around for over 25 years, and during that time, I've been a licensed colon hydrotherapist, nutritional consultant, and hair analysis practitioner for all of that time, and have worked with thousands of clients, both in person and over the phone, to support their health. We know from all of this experience that our protocols and resources, including colon cleansing, hair analysis testing, essential oil suppositories, and herbs and supplements, do help optimize health. We've designed our enema equipment, such as our Flowmaster kits, to be equally effective to colon therapy sessions in a clinical setting. By following our free educational material and using our high quality equipment, you can absolutely get the same therapeutic benefit that you'd get at a colon therapy clinic. We also have a lifetime warranty on our silicone enema bags, and we have fantastic customer service that can help you place your order or answer any questions about our protocols. Also, we keep up around the science around colon cleansing and the microbiome, so you know that you are in great hands when you get your enema equipment and guidance from Optimal Health Network.